Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1. Already the last video what I taught, it is known to you, the 11th chapter which is called bank reconciliation statement from part 1. It is the last chapter, also it is the last video of this chapter. After that, next video I will start the part 2. So the first 5 video from this chapter what I taught you, that was the theoretical part as well as the practical part, both from the illustration as well as the exercise few sums I had done. Now let me do the two more difficult type of questions from your exercise. Today I will teach you in this video the page number 294. Once again I want to repeat, page number 294 of question number 11 as well as the page number 296 of question number 14. This chapter you might have seen the two type of questions are coming. One is called the statement form. This is called the statement form. Question number 12, question number 13, question number 14. These are called the statement form, and this is called the book form. Book form means the two books are given, the cash book as well as the pass book. Question number 10 as well as the question number 11 also it is given the pass book as well as the cash book. From that you have to do the bank reconciliation statement. Previous video from the illustration like that two books are whenever it is given, that time I told that one. First of all you have to compare and you have to find out the amount where which amount it is not recorded in both the books. Once again I want to tell you which amount it is not recorded in the both the books, that are the amount you have to identify. And due to this amount the two books balance are not same. How we will compare? We will compare the cash book debit column amount, cash book debit column, this is cash book debit column, with the passbook credit column. These two columns will go together. So let us see what is given and what is not given. It is here. First of all, to balance BD in the cash book it is given 2970, but here it is given 3000. From that you can understand both the amounts are not same amount it is not recorded. It is debited 2970, but here it is credited 3000. Automatically question comes from your mind, so these two amounts are not same, obviously. But what happened here, 3000 is credit, that 3000 comes, this is 2970 plus 90 rupees, this 90 rupees and this 60 rupees, these two transactions together is coming here 3000. See, 2970 plus 90, it comes 3060, is not it? 2970 plus 90, if I add, it comes 3060, and credit side 60 minus, that means balance is coming 3000. 2970 प्लस 90 माइनस 60, ये तीनों ट्रांजैक्शन का रिजल्ट जो है दैट इज 3000 डेबिट. 2970 डेबिट प्लस 90 डेबिट, दैट मीन्स इफ आई ऐड it comes 3060 debit minus 60 credit, that means it comes 3000 debit. That is the 3000 is here. So this 90 and 60 will not mark that it is not recorded. It is recorded here because these three transaction 1, 2 and 3, these three transaction net result is coming 3000. Next is coming 4500, it is recorded in both the books. Next 7500, it is debited but not credited. Here it is not there, so we make it around. Then 3000, it is recorded in both the sides, so there is no problem. Then 6075, it is debited but not credited. So we are getting two amount in the cash book debit column. That is, one is 7500 and another is 6075. Similarly, you will find out the here 75 rupees which is credited in the passbook but not debited in the cash book. यहाँ से भी आपको कोई अमाउंट मिल सकता है जो यहाँ क्रेडिट हुआ बट कैश बुक में डेबिट नहीं हुआ. So these two columns we are getting the three amount. One is 7,500 and another is 6,770 and 75. Similarly, once again we will compare the cash book credit column का साथ passbook debit column. If we compare, we will get three amount. One is 1,500 and there is 690 and here it is 60. That means total due to this six amount, the two books balance are not same. Now we will start by taking any one balance, either passbook का last closing balance or cash book का last closing balance. We will not start with the opening balance. Cash book का last closing balance is coming 7335. So we will write it here. First, bank balance as per cash book. Debit. How much? Bank balance as per cash book debit 7335. Now we will start from here. The check of rupees 7,500 and check of rupees 6075, which is debited, it is deposited in the cash book but not credited. So we will write it here. First one, check deposited but not credited in the passbook. How much? One is coming the Arvind, it is 7,500 and it's coming Ashish of rupees 6075. तो it comes 75 sorry डेबिट हुआ तो क्रेडिट में जाएगा. It comes 75. This is 5, 13,575. Correct? 13,575. These are the things which you have to remember it. So here it is dash. Next, the second point. Here you come. Check issued and credited in the cash book but not debited. So how much? You have to write here. Check issued but not presented for payment. How much? One is the salary of rupees 1,500 and there is the Pradeep of rupees 690. This is credited but not debited. So here we have to write in the debit column. 2190. Correct? Number 3. So cash book 1, 2, 3, 4 amount is over. Now passbook 75 credited but not debited. 75 what? Dividend. It is credited but not debited. So we will write in the debit column. This is debit column 75. Dividend was credited but not recorded in cash book. Correct? 75 have to debit it. Now 60 rupees. 60 rupees it is debited but not credited. So you credit here 60 rupees. What for this is? 60 rupees is the bank interest debit. Here you have to write bank interest debited but debited in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. Correct? Over. Now you have to find out the balance. If I make it the total, you will find out the 20,970. The total comes here. This is 30,000 and this is 73. Oh, bank balance as per cash book. It is debit balance tha. Debit balance and debit balance. CDBD. Okay. Here I have done one mistakes. The cash book bank balance as per cash book CD was there. BD is this side. 7335. It was here. 7335. It is not here. There are done mistakes because it is given bank balance as per cash book. CD is not your balance, BD is your balance. So 7,335 is the credit balance, and if you add, you will get 20,970 is the total, and that total if you write it here 20,970, so you will get the difference 18,705. 18,705, that is the answer, and you have to write it here. Bank balance as per cash book tha, this is passbook. OD, this is OD balance because passbook debit balance is coming, so it is called bank overdraft balance. Like that, one more sum, which is the next question of question number not 12, not 13, but 14, or difficult type of sums. Let me do it so that you can understand what is given, what is not given. Question number 14 of page number 296. Here I wrote page number 296. Here date I have not written, that you will write a date. Date is coming, bank balance as per 31st of April. No, 30th April I think so. Last date is coming April, March. So 31st March 2016. Or in the books of whose book is given, that you will write it in the books of Sanjay. In the books of Sanjay. Now next question, question number 14. 14 it is given that in the books of cash book of Pares. So here you have to write in the books of Pares, and it is given on the bank reconciliation statement of 31st March 15. 31st March 2015. Let me read the question first. After that I will explain the answer. Cash book of Pares shows the bank balance of rupees 10,000 on 31st March 15. This balance does not tally with the bank balance as per passbook. From the following information, prepare the bank reconciliation statement for March 2015. So we have to write it here, bank balance as per cash book of rupees 10,000. So first you write bank balance as per cash book debit balance 10,000. Here which balance it is not mentioned, it is understood cash book of Pares shows a bank balance of rupees 10,000 as on 31st 3/15. This balance does not tally with the bank balance as per passbook. From the following information, prepare a bank reconciliation statement, and on the basis of that we will do the bank reconciliation statement. Number 1, I told that one that why it is recorded, why it is not recorded, that only we will find out and we will do according to that. Number 1, check of rupees 30,000 were deposited in the bank during the month of March. When we deposited, we recorded in the cash book, that we have to understand. But let me see what is going on after that, what is the mistakes. Check of rupees 30,000 were deposited in the bank during the month of March, out of which check of rupees 16,000 were credited in the bank on 2nd April. 2nd अप्रैल में क्रेडिट हुआ, 2nd अप्रैल में क्रेडिट हुआ मतलब डेट क्रॉस हो गया, डेट क्रॉस हो गया मतलब क्रेडिट नहीं हुआ, तो मिस्टेक हुआ 16,000 को, बाकी 14,000 का कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है. So only 16,000 which is recorded in one book but it is not recorded in another book. It is debited but not credited. We will write it here credit column. And we will write it here check deposited but not recorded in the passbook. I wrote in the short form check CH, recorded RE, PB passbook, CB cash book, like that short form I am using, so you will understand. Number 2, check of rupees 16,000 were drawn during the month of March. Drawn during the month of March meaning is I have given a check or I have issued a check and I recorded in my cash book credit column, out of which the check of rupees 10,000 were presented for the payment till 31st March. 31st मार्च तक 10,000 का क्लियर हो गया, मतलब 16,000 इज रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक क्रेडिट कॉलम बट पासबुक डेबिट कॉलम 10,000 रिकॉर्ड हुआ, जो नहीं हुआ वो देखना है. तो 16,000 का अंदर 10,000 क्लियर हो गया, दोनों बुक में रिकॉर्ड हो चुका. ओनली 16 minus 10 is equal to 6,000 which is credited but not debited in the passbook. So I have to write it here check issued but not presented for payment. Number 3, during the month of March, bank paid rupees 5,000 for personal income tax out of the bank account of business which is not recorded in the cash book. First of all, you have to understand what is this and where it is recorded or who has recorded, who has not recorded. During the month of March, bank paid 5,000 for personal income tax. बैंक पर्सनल इनकम टैक्स मेरा अकाउंट से पेमेंट कर दिया, तो बैंक डेबिट किया, मेरे को क्रेडिट करना है, तो आई हैव टू क्रेडिट. बैंक debited for income tax but not recorded in cash book. Number 4, on 31st March बैंक हैज क्रेडिटेड 120. बैंक क्रेडिट किया तो हमको क्या करना है, डेबिट करना है. फॉर इंटरेस्ट एंड डेबिटेड 50, बैंक डेबिट किया तो मेरे को क्या करना है, क्रेडिट करना है. फॉर बैंक चार्जेस व्हिच इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक, तो बैंक क्रेडिट किया हमको डेबिट करना है. हाउ मच 120. और बैंक डेबिट किया हमको क्रेडिट करना है, हाउ मच 50. बैंक 120 क्रेडिट किया फॉर व्हाट, इंटरेस्ट. बैंक credited in passbook for interest not recorded in cash book. और 50 rupees बैंक चार्जेस. AB number 4, बैंक चार्जेस recorded in passbook but not recorded in passbook. Understands? Number 5, check of rupees 1650 received on 30th March is not deposited with bank. A check of rupees 1650 received on 30th March is not deposited with the bank. बैंक में आपने डिपोजिट ही नहीं किया तो बैंक क्रेडिट नहीं करेगा. आपने डेबिट कर दिया तो आपको क्रेडिट करना है. 1650 क्या करना है, व्हाट हैपन, चेक रिसीव्ड on 30th March not deposited. It is check not deposited. तो चेक डेबिटेड इन कैश बुक but not credited in passbook. Number 6. What is 6? 6 is given. A debtor has directly deposited 680 in the bank which is not recorded in the cash book. तो इसका मतलब डेबिट करना है 680. Check deposited directly in the bank but not recorded in the cash book. Now 7. 7th is given. Cash sale of rupees 2000 is recorded in cash book in bank column. Cash sales मतलब you sold goods for cash and in cash book में cash column में record होना चाहिए था. This is the meaning of that. Cash sale of rupees 2000 is recorded in cash book in bank column. बैंक कॉलम डेबिट साइड में 3 कॉलम होता है, एक डिस्काउंट कॉलम, कैश कॉलम एंड बैंक कॉलम. ये अमाउंट कैश बुक में डेबिट साइड में कैश कॉलम में लिखना था बट बैंक कॉलम में रिकॉर्ड हो गया, मतलब इट इज डेबिटेड इन द कैश बुक बट नॉट क्रेडिटेड. यू हैव टू क्रेडिट इट. इट इज डेबिटेड इन द कैश बुक. कैश सेल्स is debited in the cash book but not recorded in the passbook. Number 8. 8 is given. A bill of rupees 3600 discounted in February 2015 was dishonored on maturity date during the month of March and bank has recorded the same in the passbook including the noting charges of rupees 100 which is not recorded in the cash book. That I already told. The check dishonored और bill dishonored होगा तो क्रेडिट कॉलम में जाता है. पहले इट इज डेबिट हुआ था कैश बुक में, बाद में पासबुक में क्रेडिट हुआ था. डिजोनर हुआ इसीलिए पासबुक में डेबिट हुआ, हमको क्रेडिट करना है इंक्लूडिंग नोटिंग चार्जेस. इंक्लूडिंग नोटिंग चार्जेस ये आता है 3700. चेक डिजोनर बट नॉट recorded in the cash book. Number 9. 9 is given. It is like that. 600 received for dividend on share is recorded in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. Dividend बैंक रिसीव किया तो बैंक मेरा पासबुक में क्रेडिट किया बट इट वाज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द कैश बुक, तो हमको डेबिट करना है. बैंक credited in passbook for dividend but not recorded in the cash book. 10. 10 it is given. Bank has paid 4500 for insurance premium as per the instruction of Paris which is not recorded in the cash book. बैंक पेमेंट दिया तो बैंक डेबिट किया तो हमको क्रेडिट करना है 4500. बैंक paid insurance premium but not recorded in cash book. Abhi, now you have to find out the balance after making the total, and if you make the total you will find out that total of rupees of it coming 32,900 of this side first. 16 5 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 32,900 if you add total, and here also will come 32,900. And you have to keep a pace. I have forgotten to write a pace here. Here you have to write bank balance as per कैश बुक था इसलिए पासबुक. The answer will come 15,500. You check it, you will get the answer 15,500. This is your answer. Passbook debit मतलब OD, overdraft balance. Passbook credit में आया था तो not overdraft balance, normal balance. This is the things what I told you. Once again, you read this video, you follow these instructions, you will get full idea about that. This chapter is very easy. Only do what is not done, nothing else. The chapter will be over. Even though if आपको कोई doubt कोई जगह होगा तो you can clear at any time. I am always ready to clear your doubt. Now next video I will start the part 2. Before that, for part 1, the exercise question, whatever it is given, chapter wise, all these practical questions as well as the theoretical questions, you will write in your fair book. I told several times. This also I am telling once again. The page number 288, exercise number 11, bank reconciliation statement. That the MCQ you are getting 10 MCQ. That 10 MCQ answer you will write. If you do not know answer of any MCQ, you will tell me. Question number 2, that is section B questions, 1 or 2 line question answer. That also you will write it. And question number 3 to 3 onwards till it is going on 14, 15, I think so, 15. Question number 3 to question number 15, all practical questions are given. Out of this, more than 50% practical questions from exercise as well as the illustration I had done. That also you will follow, and like that you will get the questions same from illustration as well as the exercise. That also you will try to do it. If you have any doubt from anywhere, you can tell me at any time. I will clear your doubt. Okay, hope you are understanding. Okay, bye, all the best.